My dear learners, you are all welcome to Mymensingh Online School. I am Taslima Begum, Assistant Head Teacher, Charkishan Gov T. Barrett Model Secondary School. Today I am going to take a class on English for today for the student of class 8. So, my dear learners, without delay, please take your textbook, pen and notebook. So, before declaration of today's topic, I want to show you some picture. Please look at the board. Here you can see 4 picture. By the picture, what can you gauge? Here we can see some kids are playing on the trees, and a woman is planting trees. And then exactly 4 picture means they all are tree lover, isn't it? Yes, I think this is tree lover. So they all are tree lover. Can you gauge what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is a man who loves tree. Unit 5, lesson 4. Okay. Now look at the picture. Do you know him? Exactly, we don't know the person exactly who is he. Okay, let us introduce with him. As we don't know the person, at first we have to introduce with him. So, the man and his introducing. Exactly, the man, the name of the man is Kartik Pramanik. His father name is Shuran Pramanik and his mother name is Subhash Bala. The name of his village is Tarapur and Upazila Shibganj, district Chapoinganj. Birth year 1942. Profession hairdresser. Quantity of plant more than 100. Quantity of plant more than 100. His identity is he was a nature lover. Okay, exactly, just we have introduced with the person. So now we will learn some vocabularies from the text. Look, profession. Here you can see a picture. What is the meaning of profession? I think profession meaning is occupation, job, business. That means profession. Pesha. Profession means occupation, job or business. Which parts of speech profession? Profession is noun. So we can make a sentence with profession. Kartik Pramanik is a hairdresser by profession. Next word, sapling. Sapling means, look at the picture. Sapling means seedling. মানে গাছের চারা. Sapling means হচ্ছে কি গাছের চারা. So we can make a sentence with sapling. Kartik used to plant sapling. Kartik গাছের চারা রোপণ করত। Okay, mission. Mission, what can you guess the meaning of mission? Mission means duty, operation or target. Mission means duty, operation, target or target. That means mission means বিশেষ কার্য. সো চলো আমরা একটা নতুন সেন্টেন্স তৈরি করি উইথ মিশন. নো ভিশন ইজ সাকসিডেড উইদাউট ভিশন. নো vision is succeeded without a mission. Okay, look another picture. Gigantic. This picture, gigantic, means look another picture. That means huge, massive, large, অর্থ বিশাল, অনেক বড়. Gigantic means. So we can make a sentence with gigantic. The word passion. Passion means, look at the picture. I think a man is holding a baby with passion. That is, passion means desire, love, appetite, আবেগ. Passion means হচ্ছে কি গভীর আবেগ. Passion means গভীর আবেগ. That means desire, love or appetite. Okay. Now we can make a new sentence with passion. These are the symbol of heavenly passion. Okay, so let us have a tour to the farthest corner of Bangladesh. চলো আমরা বাংলাদেশের একটা দূরবর্তী কর্নারে চলে যাই ভ্রমণ করতে. Okay, here there is a map. You see, just some locations are identified. Bholaghat, Gomustaphur, Shibganj, Nasol, Sabai, Nawabganj Sodor. Okay, so here we have identified one area or place, Shibganj. Look the picture. Few minutes ago we have introduced with a person whose name is Kartik Puramanik. The name of the area is Tarapur. So greeny area, isn't it? But Kartik Puramanik lives in this village. Kartik Puramanik এই গ্রামে বাস করে. That means Kartik Puramanik lives in this village Tarapur. Tarapur village এ Kartik Puramanik বাস করে. Okay, before 72 years Tarapur was like this picture. That means there was no trees in the village. The village was like a desert. Without trees, the village was. Look another picture. Present Tarapur. Green Tarapur. দুইটা পিকচারের মধ্যে আমরা কম্পেয়ার করে দেখলাম. ওয়ান পিকচার, একটা পিকচার হচ্ছে কি ডেজার্টের মতো, একটা মরুভূমি, আর অ্যানাদার পিকচার ইজ গ্রিন. 72 বছর আগে এটা ছিল একটা কি মরুভূমির মতো, বাট আফটার 72 ইয়ার্স দ্য তারাপুর ইজ গ্রিন. Look the picture. A man is taking rest under scorching heat. There is no tree, no shade. No shade. Kartik would get tired in the scorching sun like the picture. এই পিকচার মতো কার্তিকও কি হয়ে যেত, টায়ার্ড হয়ে যেত এই উত্তপ্ত তাপে। So he began planting trees. His trees planting mission at the age of 10. When he was 10, he started to plant trees. Now, let us know the rest of his story by silent reading from the textbook, page number 54. So, let's start. We will read the text silently. Okay. First, pause this class and read silently text. Okay. I think you have done. So, now I have some questions for you. There are 4 sentences for you. Just you will respond with me, is the sentence is correct or not? If the sentences are not corrected, we have to correct the sentence. So let's start. First sentence, he planted the first tree 50 years ago. Listen again. He planted the first tree 50 years ago. Is the sentence is correct or not? Yes, I think you will answer in the comment box. So try. We read out the text silently, and already we have found when Kartik started planting trees. So is the answer is correct or not? I mean, the answer is false. Next question, Kartik borrowed money from others to plant trees. Is the sentence is correct or not? The sentence is incorrect. Kartik Puramarik never borrowed money from others. Okay, third question, he would plant trees around his hut only. সে গাছ রোপণ করত কেবলমাত্র তার বাড়ির চারপাশে. Is the sentence is correct or not? Yes, the answer is false, because he planted trees not only around his hut, he planted many trees beside the road, around the hut school, and in the village. He planted many trees in his locality. So, fourth question, at times Kartik would water his trees at night because he felt lazy during the day. Listen to me again. At times Kartik would water his trees at night because he felt lazy during the day. Is the sentence is correct or not? The sentence is incorrect. Kartik was not lazy. He didn't get time in the day because he had to do his work in the day, as he was the only earning member of his family. That's why when he returned from his job, then he looked after, or he would water his trees. Okay, my dear learners, you have done very well. Now, here are some multiple choice questions for you. Just try to answer. Okay, look. Choose the best answer from the question. First question, Kartik was a dash by profession. Kartik was a dash by profession. Here, there are 4 profession. You will choose one, which was Kartik Pramanik. Okay, cultivator, tree planter, day laborer, hairdresser. By profession, Kartik Pramanik was hairdresser. কার্তিক প্রমাণিক পেশা কি ছিল? একজন হেয়ার ড্রেসার ছিল। নাও নেক্সট কোশ্চেন, হিজ মিশন ইজ টু মেক দ্য ভিলেজ গ্রিনি বাই 4 অপশন, কাল্টিভেটিং paddy in the fields, growing grass in all the fallow land, planting fodder for the cattle, planting many trees. Of course, your answer will be planting many trees. So third question, some of Kartik's trees are big and dash. Big and yes. Great, gigantic, enormous, kingly. Yes, you are right. Some of Kartik's trees are big and gigantic. Now fourth question, some of his trees are dash years old. Some of his trees are dash years old. Okay, 15 to 20, 25 to 35, 35 to 40, 35 to 40 or 40. Our correct answer is 35 to 40. Great. Okay, fine. So you have done very well. In the meantime, we have solved true, false and multiple choice question. Okay, my dear learners, now we are about to end of the session. So today's your homework is, there are 4 questions. You will answer 4 questions from the text. Okay. The question is, who is Kartik Pramanik? Next question, how do you understand that he is a nature lover? Third question, why did he plant trees? Fourth question, what do you understand by the saying a man who can hardly sign his name is leaving his signature all around in nature? Have you completed your writing? I hope you have done. Thank you so much. Exactly, this presentation was made by Hassan Hafizur Rahman, lecturer of Cambrian School and College. So, আজ এ পর্যন্ত। তোমরা সবাই ভালো থেকো, সুস্থ থেকো। দেখা হবে পরবর্তী সেশনে। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।